Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashmi and today I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful little pom-poms using a fork, okay? As you can see here, I've got multiple colors there. This one is made of white and grey. This one is pink and white, and this one is just obviously white, okay? So today I'm going to show you how to make a pom-pom with pink, white and grey threads, okay? So 3 different threads. Obviously, if you wanted to make the pom-pom of the same color, it would be much simpler. You just use that one single thread, okay? So first thing I'm going to do is take all 3 threads and cut a long bit of yarn out, okay? So I'm going to take the scissors and cut that off, okay? Now that we've got this piece of thread cut out, we're going to use our fork, okay? And use this bit of thread and put it in the center of this fork like this, okay? And move that back like that. So from here we are going to wrap the yarn around the fork, okay? Now if you are using one single color, you have to go around the fork 60 times, okay? But because we're using 3 colors, we are going to only go around the fork 20 times. Okay, so let's count it each time. There we go, start again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 19 and 20. Once you've gone around your fork 20 times, okay, secure this in place with your thumb and just snip the extra bit off, okay? Now that's that. We are now going to use the yarn that we had in the middle section here to tie around, okay? So from the top, making sure that, actually let's just pull this down first, okay? So as you can see, that's where we've got the threads from the back, okay? We're going to take them and put them in the middle section right here in the middle part, okay? Once it's through, let's just put our fork down and we're going to tie these 2 bits of yarn together, okay, as tight as you can, okay? From here, nice and tight, pull it hard, okay? Once we have done this, go around and knot it one more time to secure everything in place perfectly, like so. Okay, once we have done this, we can slip it off, okay? And that's the base of our pom-pom. So we are just going to, we can hold it using these bits of yarn, okay? And now where the fork, the bits of the fork came out from, we've got a little loop, okay? So there are loops like this one, okay? We're just going to go around with a pair of scissors and we're going to cut that all off like this, okay? Just go all around, cutting all of this down, okay, like this. Making sure that we've gone all the way to the bottom as well, in the middle, okay? So once we've done this, do exactly the same on the other side as well. Here we are. Now, just fluff it up all around. Once we've done this, we can see all the uneven bits from here now, okay? So still holding it from these threads, we're going to shape our pom-pom from the top first, okay? Now, when we're doing this, I always suggest for you to start off small, okay? Because we don't want to overdo this and then end up with a not a very good shaped pom-pom, okay? So we want to take our time and do a little by little. As you can see from my clippings, I'm only snipping a tiny bit off at a time, okay? Because this won't need much, not too much snipped off from it, okay? And okay, once we've shaped it like this, okay, if you wanted to stitch this on something, then you can keep these threads. Otherwise, hold from the top, okay, turn it around, fluff it up from that side too, and just snip the ends off as well like this, okay? And when you snip them off, you will see that it looks much more neater and looks a lot more like a little tiny pom-pom. And they make a beautiful addition to your baby blankets. It could be for a scarf, it could be for loads of different things really. So there are loads of ideas out there to use these tiny little pom-poms. Okay, and there you have it. That one is complete. So we have got pink, grey and white for that pom-pom right there. Okay, now if you enjoyed making this with me, make sure you give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.